Hey YouTube, Cassandra here from X5 Overland, long time no see. We're going to hang out today and do a create with us using some foam that we definitely didn't already break, a silver Sharpie, and a plastic lockable box to make an on-the-go secure charging station for all of our new equipment. Let's get started. We're basically going to use this as our bottom layer in this box, and the end goal is to have something that we can lock up really securely, potentially bolt down to our rig, and then know that all of this stuff is really safe and secure, but also it's really easy to charge it and keep it charged. Some things like what we're filming on right now is our Osmo Pocket, so we'll just use the shell to help create the space for that. Some other things that I'm using right now are a Rode mic, and the little lav mic attachment that goes with it. So there's two pieces this big, and then one of these, and I'll kind of just create that as I go. This is a pretty rough draft part of this project, so we just get all of our gear together. We've got a couple of foam layers. We're going to start arranging and tracing and see what happens. This one is going to be sunk completely underneath. You won't be able to see it in the top layer, and we're hoping to hide most of the cable work under there as well. We have our DJI charging pack, and this carries 3 of the drone batteries. We have our DJI control pad here. This is going to be our Osmo Pocket right here. And then we'll have our SD card case here. And then in this, it's just kind of an extra pouch for things like extra propellers, one-off kind of items. And then we're going to have our actual drone. So we're getting rid of the DJI drone case entirely to just go in here. Our power port for charging everything and connecting it to the cables. Our Freewell lenses here. And then we also are going to have our Rode mics and lav mic. Once you have everything figured out and lined out, you're just going to start tearing your pieces away to make everything fit. Double check that it all snugly fits in there. You'll start building your thing. We realized that the Sharpie kind of leaves a residue on the side, so it was great underneath, but in the top, if you want that really clean look, you can just hold it over, press a little, and it'll give you an outline of the squares you should take, and then you have a really nice, clean finish. We're just going to keep mapping and tearing and adjusting, and we'll show it to you when it's all done and give you any tips and tricks along the way we think are important. should be some better lighting. Thanks! Lighting's better. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that video. Thanks for joining me up here on the roof rack because I like being on the roof rack. Why not? I hope you're staying safe at home as well. And remember, if you've got a place to lay on top of your car, you could sunbathe as well. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.